I would love to speak with Jason because he knows where my mother is.
Hey Jason, what's your relation with her? You're being detained for investigation, theft of a credit card, okay? The actual crime is called mail theft. It has to be 10 different individual pieces of mail. It's a real special. I'm just telling you the truth right now.
Okay.
You can say no all you want.
I understand.
Okay.
August 13th, Clarkston, Washington. Hotel staff call police because a guest is trying to pay for her room with a stolen credit card. She's not rattled. She has an explanation. More than one, actually. One phone call is going to change that. What comes after it is a whole different situation.
This officer. Good. Hi.
Hi.
Can we please have Jason come up here? As a civil right, I have a right to have this person that is on my card, the same person, come up here, please.
Okay. Hold on. I want to stay right here so she doesn't leave.
Perfect. So I'm not going to go anywhere. I'm going to step outside and smoke a cigarette if I can.
Call us about an hour or 2 hours ago saying that his card was used and it was stolen.
Yeah.
And I was like, at first, I'm like, I don't have that in here. And as I'm going through my system, she presented that card. She brought it down with me. It does say just a
It's not her name on it. It's a lie, sir.
Okay. So Nez Perce County has already put a report out for this.
Okay, see, and I did months ago about these cards.
What cards?
Months ago. All of my debit cards, everything was stolen. It is a joint account. It goes to and she has my card. She has both my cards.
That's when I get back to you.
She has, no you didn't. Okay.
The one that was reported stolen, I took.
Okay. If you call on that Capital One, same as that's why I said I did not. It is the same account. And it is my name that is on there, not Jason. That is a authorized user on my account. That's why it says joint account.
Under Washington law, possession of stolen property has a knowledge requirement. It's not enough to show the property was stolen. The state also has to show she knew it was. That's what her whole account is going after. A joint account with her name, permission she says she had, cards she says were taken months ago. If any of that holds up, the knowledge piece doesn't land. The officer can't resolve that from where he's standing.
And if you could find Jason to come down here and talk to me,
I don't know who Jason
Okay,
is.
if he called, I would love to call. I would love to see him.
I don't know who he is. I don't know how to get a hold of him.
But then he called here. He called up here. Then where's the phone number to contact
Man,
him?
I don't have that phone number. He called. I don't have caller ID.
Okay, that doesn't even make sense.
I assure you I
Okay, was it Jason that called? Okay, why is Jason calling about these cards?
I would love to see Jason.
Is everything okay? What's going on? So
Because I'm calling about the same thing. Because
We get a
somewhere there's
report
some
of
issues in there.
We get a report of a theft that happened in the shop over in Lewiston. Or not Lewiston, but Culdesac.
Okay. What about Culdesac?
And there's some card that was taken from there, and the person. That's what was reported on Nez Perce County.
No.
I'm just telling you the truth right now.
Okay.
You can say no all you want.
I understand that.
Okay.
No, yeah, I completely understand that.
Okay.
Okay, so
So.
I would love to speak with Jason.
Okay. I'm going to call
Because
county.
if we look, yes, please.
Okay.
Can we please?
All right.
I would love for that.
Okay.
Because
so,
he knows where my mother is.
Okay.
Him and I have had, I would love to know.
Okay. So in the meantime, I am
because-
detaining you
Okay,
for what's
can I
going on.
smoke a cigarette, please? Please
Yes.
don't detain me.
So I am
If-
going to detain you.
Okay.
You can smoke a cigarette, you can walk out to the car with me,
Okay.
but you are being detained. Not
Okay.
under arrest, you're being detained for investigation of
Okay.
theft of a credit card, okay?
When he says detained and not under arrest, that's a specific legal line, not just a softer way of phrasing the same thing. A hotel employee flagging a stolen card is enough for that stop. She legally cannot walk away right now, but he also doesn't have what he needs to take her in yet. That gap is what the next call has to close.
I'm going to have my staff pack up your stuff, though, because I can't have you here.
Can I actually please go grab it?
That's
I
the
don't.
officer.
We can work that out once I call, okay?
Okay, yeah, because
So-
I had no problems. The card that she used was the same card that goes to it because Jason, it's actually not one. That is a name that is put underneath the company from Holland and Hart. This is the attorney. You're more than welcome to contact them.
Okay.
I would love to see Jason.
So I'm going to go make a call real quick. Hey, this is Officer All with the Clarkston Police Department. I am calling because I am out with the potential suspect for a theft that happened in Culdesac. Deputy Candler was the one that talked with the police department previously. It's LaDonna. Alright, sounds good. I will place her into custody.
Probable cause is a higher legal bar than reasonable suspicion. Reasonable suspicion was enough to hold her while the officer made that call. Probable cause is what it takes to actually arrest someone, and the call just cleared it.
Okay.
So this is actually a federal case. I have the will to it.
So here's the thing right now.
Because I just went through this, literally just like
He reported it stolen. So
just went through this like not even a month ago.
Well,
with Michael, the other one that was on there that said
Okay.
that so this is not.
well, at this time, it's a reported stolen card.
Okay.
So it's not your card.
Maybe not, okay. Well,
So I am placing you under arrest for possession of stolen property, okay? Can you stand up for me? Okay. Put your hands behind your back. Over to my vehicle. How much stuff do you have in your room?
I can call somebody to come get it.
Okay.
Can I call somebody to come get it really
Yeah,
quick? Can I please do that?
So once I get through all this, we can do that, okay?
Okay.
Okay. No, just stay right here.
I'll just have him. Okay. She gave me that bag.
Okay.
That one has the company's name on it.
Okay, where's Justin's card at?
Justin or Jason?
This card.
See? That's funny. I don't know if she had it.
Okay, she might have it.
That's the one I thought I used.
Okay.
That has the company name before his name because it's an authorized signer. He is an author. They were authorized signers.
Okay, I'll have you sit in the vehicle.
Yeah.
Do you want the windows rolled down?
Yes, please.
Okay. Hey. So, you have all the cards and everything?
What was that?
I got all the cards and everything.
Perfect.
Okay, how much was spent on the card?
It was authorized for $165.59. So I'm checking her out. It will go back on the card, so nothing will be charged. It was
Okay.
authorization only.
An arrest gives officers the legal right to search whatever someone has on them and within their immediate control. Everything in her bags at that hotel just became part of this investigation.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, this is Jason. Hey, Jason, this is Officer All with the Clarkston Police Department. So I was able to get your card back. What's your relation with her? What'd she steal in the shop? You want to press charges, right, for her having possession of your credit card? I haven't looked through the bags yet. If I find more keys, they'll be placed into safekeeping. There might be more charges.
That's okay.
Like, more felony charges. 'Cause,
What did she?
there is mail. So she...
That's an automatic too, felony, huh? Being in
Um,
possession or opening it?
so there's an actual one that's... The actual crime is called mail theft. It has to be 10 different individual pieces of mail. It's a real special one, but I've got it before. She, stole a bunch of stuff from a shop in Culdesac. There's a bunch of keys and everything. I don't know if they're in the purses or not. We'll find out.
Okay.
Alright. That is it for me.
The card got police in the door, But it is not what kept them there. LaDonna Ray Mabin, 39, from Clarkston. Once officers went through what she had on her, they found mail and financial documents tied to at least 26 different people and around 109 keys. Before this hotel call, Nez Perce County in Idaho already had her name in a separate investigation. There was a reported burglary out of Culdesac, where mail, tools, keys, and other property were taken from a residence. She was already a suspect before she walked into that hotel. In Washington, having 10 or more pieces of mail that belong to different people is its own separate felony. She was charged with second-degree identity theft, second-degree theft, and second-degree possession of stolen property. Was the card enough on its own to build this case, or does what came out of those bags change what this actually was? Drop your take below and subscribe if you want more breakdowns like this.